Am I the only one that does this? Like, with my dead light bulbs? Just, I kind of store them in my junk drawer, you know, in the kitchen. Because I feel a little like we were just throwing this glass that'll probably break and pop under any kind of pressure in the trash. So I'll probably throw these fellas out today. Because it's trash day tomorrow. Hello, creators. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and check out all the other videos. Thank you so much for watching. So today, in this vlog episode, lots going on. Just uploaded the how to take photos of your artwork with your iPhone video to YouTube. I am exporting yesterday's vlog where I do my crypto meetup, and then I'm also creating some sort of new, promotional image. Got it up in Photoshop. Got to do, because I'm part of the Hazleton Art League Art Expo 2018. So I'm making a graphic for that I can just promote myself instead of having like too much text. It's going to be very minimal. It's going to be very direct to the point. And so making that. And then today, absolutely no excuses. I have to do the cardboard face on that crate, that custom crate I'm making. So check it out. Finish this up and hopefully shipping it out today. I've been saying it for the past couple days that I need to face that cardboard, that wooden skeleton, the frame for the custom crate. Well, here it is, wrapped, packed, and ready to go. But oh yeah, so check out my perspective. It's a big cardboard wall. With some wonderful bone sculptures shipping out. Oh my god. Oh, may the shipping gods have mercy on you. Oh, you see this? Fragile glass. Oh god, the headaches until it gets there. Oh. Well, all right, well, let's ship this out and continue on. Stopped at FedEx, shipped out that envelope, and it was busy there. Got to UPS to ship out that crate, and wow, it was slammed. I guess this the Easter holiday coming up has everyone shipping stuff all over the world, all over the United States. So yeah, I was in there for a while, but you know, the workers at both FedEx, UPS, and USPS locally are salt of the earth, wonderful people. They're great. They're so friendly and always helpful. I'm launching this brand this brand right here, all this creator lifestyle. And so I just started doing the Instagram and Facebook, and to kind of like growth hack my way up the following is, well, for starters, you're going to want to invite all your friends, all the friends that you haven't talked to in years since like high school. Everyone, just shamelessly invite everyone to like your page, right? But then whenever you share content on that page, going to also want to share it with your personal account, because when it comes to like the Facebook algorithms in regards to like a business page, like a fan page, Facebook just wants your ad spend. They want your money, honey. Your money, honey. So they're going to, you know, drop your page rank. And especially recently when Facebook came straight out and was like, no, we want more person-to-person, more meaningful conversations going on. And that does not include business. So businesses, fan pages, they're going to be greatly hindered as far as like rank within the feeds. So like I said, they really primarily want you to be spending money to get your content seen as a page. So a quick little baby hack there is to reshare it with your personal account, get the word out, and then, you know, take it into different Facebook groups and share it through there as shared from the page. So just a little start, and I'm doing that just right away, right from the get-go with my Facebook page. But for my Instagram, before I reach out to the Instagram influencers, I want at least about, you know, like 2 weeks worth of content, so that the influencer can like kind of pick and choose and feel confident about his decision, feel confident about promoting my page, which is really important. And, you know, if they see that you have, you know, more than just like 1 week's worth of content, ideally it'd be great for 30, but like I said, I want to kind of boost this quick so they'll have more confidence. Now, there's a big difference between like a feature page on Instagram and then like an original content page. I'm doing straight up original content. Now, if you want to really growth hack your way up the ranks, yeah, you could just like, you know, feature other artists' work. You know, I guess there's really nothing wrong with that, as long as you mention the original artist, the original poster, because a lot of these pages, they just share from like other feature pages content, and then they're like, oh, this is the feature page content, when it's really not. It's really some like artist who's just like doing his hustle and not getting recognition, which really sucks. So yeah, I'll make a video, more videos talking about my experiences in the next couple days, weeks, so keep an eye out for that. So again, back to inviting your friends to like your new page. Now, it could be really difficult for an individual to like, you know, maybe there's like social anxiety going on around this. So what I do, and like you really just have to do it. Okay, you have to invite everyone, even if you haven't talked to them, even if it was like you don't no longer talk, it might be a little awkward. So here's a little trick that I do. Just to alleviate, just here, hold on, let me get it set up. Okay, here it is. So I'm pushing my creator lifestyle Facebook page, and this is my invite section. So you just cover up all these the people. It doesn't, because it really doesn't matter, really. Oh boy, I know. If I was like, because it's a snowball effect. If you're like, well, this person, it could be kind of awkward. Okay, fine, I'll skip this person or that person. But then before you know it, you skipped like everyone and you're at the bottom of the list. And it's just like, well then, like, what's the point? Well, inviting hordes of individuals to like your fan page. Also consider what time it is, what time of day it is. So say for example, right now it's about 9 p.m. I would say this is a relatively fine time to do this. You know, everyone's probably home from work. Well, the majority is probably home from work. And, you know, they're probably just lounging, relaxing. I would assume average people just relaxing on their couch, probably watching like a Netflix series or something. You know, occasionally, you know, if something pops up on their phone, a little notification, then they'll check it, so they're more inclined. Whereas, like, say, you know, 10 a.m., they're probably at work, they're probably far away from like a break or even like their lunch, and by that time, say if it's like they have to wait at least like 4 hours till they get on that break to check their phones, if they do check their phones at all, if they do check Facebook, then think of all the other notifications that they might have on their phone, and you just coldly asking them to do something could just be easily overlooked. Whereas opposed to, like, you know, if someone's commenting actually on their image, they'd be more inclined to engage with that as opposed to your request of having them like your page. Know what I'm saying? Sewing time. My god, I have the fattest fingers ever.